Hi everyone, welcome back to the second video of Mathematics Grade 9 Statistics. Till first video we have completed regarding what is data, types of data and how to make frequency distribution table, how to draw bar graph, histogram and frequency polygon has been over. So right now we'll be going to the second part of this chapter, that is central tendency, measure of central tendency. The last exercise, that is exercise 14.4, it's very easy. Three things only you learn here in central tendency, that is mean, median and mode. You have learned about it before also. You are used to it or familiar with this word. Now we will be doing mean, median, mode for raw data only, and for mean we'll do one more group data as well. Remaining everything for class interval data you'll do in class 10. So in order to be very clear with the concept for next year, be clear with the class 9 concept first. So mean, median, mode will do. Now data will be given like this, 2, 4, or we can check question number 1. Exercise 14.4, question number 1. The following number of goals were scored by the team in the series of 10 matches. Your questions were like this. Goals were like this. And your question was find the mean, median and mode of the scores given. Now what do you mean by mean? So mean is average. Out of all the given data, what is the average data of it? Here so many numbers, numerical values are given there. So what is the average goal that person has got? So many goals are there, so average goal, how much he has got. We call it mean. And in order to find mean, there is a formula. We denote mean with this sign. Mean is equal to, for raw data, sum of all the observation divided by number of observation. So here, observation means this all, add up everything. Sum of all observation by total number of observation. So here sum of observation, 2 plus 3, 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 3, 3, 4, 3. And total number, how many goals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So divided by 10. Now add them all. (28) divide by 10. So in denominator there is 1 0. So point will come before one digit. That is 2.8 is the mean goal for that particular data. Now median. So this is how you find mean. In this same way calculate mean for all the given questions. Okay. Now next is median. Median means middlemost term. Let me erase this. You can note it down in your book. So when we call it median, it means middlemost term of the given data. So before you calculate median for the given data, first put it in either arranging order or arrange it in ascending order or descending order. Meaning, first arrange the number. So starting from, if you go in ascending order, the least number 0 will be here, and then 1, and then 2 and 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and then 4 is 2 times, and then 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So like this you'll arrange it. After arranging, find total number of the given observation, that is 10 out here. So n equal to 10. So if n is 10, 10 means even number. For even and odd, both the calculation formula is a bit different. Okay. For even number, your formula for median we write it like this, m in the down d, median equal to. Now from here if you check 10 ka half, middlemost term, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And from the back if you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So both the number we can take. For in this case it is 3 only, no problem. Sometimes it would be more different also. So we have to find again middlemost of it. So what will you do? N by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1, that is next term, th, write it on the top, divide by 2, meaning middlemost one, 10 ka middlemost would be 5, that term and next term also, and divide by 2. So n is 10, 10 by 2, 5th term, and 5th plus 1, 6th term, divided by 2. So 5th term is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 3. And next term is also 3. Divide by 2. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 by 2 is 3. So that means middlemost term or median is 3 for this case. So that is how we do for even. No need to worry, no need to memorize that hard this formula. Just remember n by 2, do it, total number divide by 2. And its next number add it and divide again by 2 for even. But for odd it is more easier. For example, in same question if there was 6, okay, that means now how many numbers are there? Obviously 11. So 11 means odd. So for odd case, your formula for median would be n plus 1 by 2th term. So n is 11. So n is 11 plus 1 by 2th term. That is 12 by 2, 6th term. If we divide by 2, 6th is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one. For this particular question, it remains 3 only. For other question, it may be different also. So this is how you do for even and for odd. Odd is just n plus 1 by 2th term, remember. For even, n by 2 plus the next term and divide by 2. Simple. Now the last one is mode. For mode, there is no formula, just a simple topic and very easy. Remember, mode means the data or the number that has been repeated the highest time. In this data, you can check which number is repeated the highest time. 3, because it is repeated 4 times. That means its mode is 4. Simple. That's it. The number which is repeated the highest time, that is your mode. Done. No need to calculate extra and all. Very easy. This is how you'll find mean, median, mode for all the question in the given exercise. 1 or 2 are different. Let us check that. Second one also you can do, mean, median, mode, find it. Third one, data, it's given like this. 29, 32, 48, 50, x plus 2, 72, 78, 84 and 95. And it is said, in the following observation, it is arranged in ascending order. If median of the data is 63, then find x. Median is given out here now. Median is 63. Now check it. Formula for median. Before we find it, odd or even number find. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means n is 10. 10 is even. For even, the formula is n by 2 plus next term, n by 2 plus 1th term, divide by 2 would be your median. N by 2, that is 10 by 2, 5th term. Next would be 6th term, divide by 2. Now 5th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, x. Next term is x plus 2 by 2. Now x plus x, 2x plus 2. This divide by 2 will go to the other side. I have taught you in chapter 1 that if it is divided, then while going to the other side it would be multiple. So 63 into 2. So 126, and finally 2 will go and be minus there, plus will go to the other side and be subtracted, and 2 will go and divide like this. So like that you can find your x. And question number 4 also you can do. Number 5 is a grouped data is given there and they are asking you to find mean. So for grouped data, how to find mean? This you can copy it down. So if your data is like this, same like question number 5. So for this kind of data, if you're finding mean, you remember formula for grouped data, mean is equal to summation fx by n. Now this sign, you might have seen this sign before, it is called summation. It looks like E, you know, and its meaning is summation means addition by the word sum. F is frequency, x is the given data, divided by n. N is the total number of frequency. Now fx is there, so you increase data f into x here. Only one more line. Multiply each of them and write 10 into 2, 20. Multiply them 60. 30 into 1, 30. 4 to 80. 5 into 4, 200. Now add everything. Summation means here make one more line. Summation fx. Add them all. 0, 8, 10, 13, 15, 5, 1, 3. 350. And remains always for the frequency addition. Add them all. 4, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12. Now put this value. In place of summation fx, 350. And in place of n, 12. And divide it. So that would be like 28.5. Now in this way you can find mean for the grouped data using formula summation fx by n. Same thing you do for question number 5 of exercise 14.4 as well. By this particular chapter statistics is over. Please complete all the exercise 14.2, 3 and 4. Only 3 exercises are there. And there you will be doing bar diagram, obviously, bar graph, histogram, frequency polygon, and mean, median, mode, calculation of it. That's it. Very simple, and you'll be getting good marks for this also. The excluded topic is not here. Excluded one, I have not explained it to you here. So do these all questions, practice well, prepare well. And if there is any doubt, you can always approach me. You can WhatsApp it also, the doubt, the way you all have been doing. Or you can even call me also. So stay home, stay safe, and complete everything. We'll see you in next video.